Here's a mock version of the Cornell Method template. On the top of the template is where you would write your course name, the date, and the topic of the class. Having this information handy can make organizing and studying your notes easier in the future. In the biggest portion of the page is where you would write your notes. This is where you paraphrase your professor's lecture or the class discussion. It is important to remember that in order to have good notes, you should utilize things such as abbreviations and bullet points to make sure you can write down as much information as possible. On the left of the note-taking area is the recall column. In this column, you can include information such as questions, symbols, and pictures that will help you recall important facts from the lecture in the future. The column is especially helpful for visual learners because you can add in pictures that can jog your memory when you return to your notes. The bottom of the template is reserved for the summary. This section allows you to reflect on the lecture and include personal experiences that can help you better understand and interpret the material. After the lecture, it is important to return to your notes and highlight key ideas or make edits to ensure your notes are as clear and organized as possible. Keeping good notes allows you to both understand and store the material, as well as prepare for future tests and quizzes. Now that you understand how to use the Cornell Method, let's look at a complete template. As you can see, the template is separated into 3 sections. In the notes space, the student included a topic as well as multiple points of information from the lecture. In the recall column, the student included page numbers to the textbook that reference the class material and a chart to organize the information. In the summary area, the student summarized the information in a clear way that will allow them to quickly gain access to the main point of the lecture. Now that the template is completed, the student has a great resource for studying and understanding the material. As you've seen through our 2 visual examples, the Cornell Method can be a great note-taking tool. Using a template can make it really easy to develop a good note-taking routine and also allows you to store and organize all of your notes. The Cornell Method can be used on paper or used on a computer depending on your preferences and the preferences of your professor. It's important to remember to always try different methods to find out what works best for you.